What do you think? Think I can make it?
We've never done this before.
I don't think it's the bike. I think it's the link between the handlebars and the pedals.
I think you're right. Good morning.
No.
Oh, bad morning. We didn't really do a whole lot yesterday after we got in, but this is our campsite, 177, here at Findley State Park.
I had to get my hat.
Oh.
I can't believe you showed me on camera without my hat.
Why?
I'm practically naked.
It's not like you're bald, you're just gray. So last time we were here was actually earlier this year, and it was snowing and blowing.
We had to shovel out our pad and shovel out the dump station.
Yeah.
It was a good time.
It was a good time. You wouldn't think that, you know, we're not being, we're not lying when we say it was a good time.
It's not sarcasm.
Yeah, it's definitely not sarcasm. It really was a good time, and it's a beautiful park. I'm glad we came back when there's no rain in the forecast, because this park is not a good park if it's been raining or is going to rain.
No, it's a little floody.
It's quite floody, very floody, to be honest. So keep that in mind if you're wanting to come here and it's been raining. Chances are your site gonna be wet. What's the matter, Pipey? You stuck?
Got stuck on a weed.
Okay, come here. You're really not that stuck.
What you doing?
I am making breakfast sandwiches that Mike found on the internet and he wanted. So
I demanded it.
that's absolutely true. So you take 2 eggs, salt, pepper, scramble them up, put them in a pan, let them cook down a little bit, just like that. And then I'm going to take 2 pieces of bread with the butter side up and place them on the eggs. Then you ever so carefully flip it, if you can get up under it. Like so. Fold up the edges a little bit.
Yeah, that looks good.
Put a piece of cheese down. Put a couple pieces of bacon in there. Stick another piece of cheese on top. You're going to take one side of the bread and flip it over and let it cook. And it will get all melty, and then we'll flip it to cook this side. Go ahead and give it a flip.
That looks amazing. Look at that.
Ta-da!
Look at that.
Breakfast sandwich extraordinaire.
It's probably gonna be my new fave.
Yeah, Mike said, this is how I want my sandwiches all the time. I'm like, how about you wait till we eat it first?
You don't have to. You just see that it's perfection.
That's probably true. How is it?
Piper's answering for me.
Yeah.
It is really good.
It's like a grilled cheese breakfast sandwich.
I haven't even bitten into the bacon yet, and it is good.
Oh, good. Taking the pups on a walk. This is the calm before the storm, pretty much, when a bunch of people are gonna get in. When we leave to go on a walk, the famous last words are, you think we're gonna go on any trails? I don't know, probably not. And then here we are on a trail. As I almost die. Oh man, she's leading the way down to the water. Of course, I'm not wearing hiking shoes because I was thinking we're just going on pavement. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Look at you go, Pipey.
Every time she gets in the water, she gets a little deeper. How fast do you think Piper's gonna go up this?
I think she's gonna go very fast. She's eyeing it up,
Yep.
ready to go.
Formulating a plan.
Yep.
Ready, Piper? Go on, go.
One thing's for sure, these trails are a lot easier to do now than they are when they're covered in like inches of ice.
Yeah, craziness for sure.
It was very slick. Well, that hike was pretty warm, so I think we're gonna take a bike ride. It's been a little while since we've rode the bikes, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day. So,
I got 92 miles on my odometer. I want to see if I can hit 100.
all right, that's a good challenge. I only have 86. Ooh, I gotta keep going. A speed bump. Oh, jeez. I'm sorry, you guys, but I missed it. Mike was pedaling, and I missed it.
I had to go fast. Like,
Yeah,
ow.
he did, and then I couldn't catch him, and I was pedaling hard.
I'm just checking on the dogs using the Micro Air Easy Touch.
Oh yeah.
It's 76 in there right now, but it's set to 68.
Yeah, it felt pretty cool when we left.
It's cooling down. It was 79.
Yeah.
So you can tell it's still cooling down.
All right.
What
Well,
do you think? Think I can make it?
I know you can make it. I just don't know what the other side looks like. All right, you ready for this?
Yep.
All right, let's see it. It's narrow.
I ain't seen it twice.
I have seen it twice. The thorn. That doesn't sound very nice. It's a mountain bike trail. Mike said it was a big trail, and oh my God. It's this brown dash all the way around everything.
This is 11.5 miles.
Oh, yeah. Right there. Wow.
We will not be partaking.
No, I don't think my electric bike could handle a mountain bike trail
I think mine would do it.
because you'd make it do it.
I don't think it's the bike. I think
I-
it's the link between the handlebars and the pedals.
I think you're right.
My bike is currently at 99 miles in the odometer. Let's see if I can catch it turning over to 100. There it is. It's at 100. The road really does end in water. She waits up there. Now I got 103 on mine, but look at Lynn's battery. We really put a whooping on these batteries today, didn't we?
No, mine wasn't fully charged. It actually hasn't been charged in quite some time, so I'm trying to wear it down a little bit. I guess she missed you. Oh, geez. Piper, you gotta be careful, girl. Mike's been asking me, what's for dinner? What's for dinner? And I was like, you know, we can just have pie for dinner. So I might just make camp pies. But with a little twist, because we have lemon pie filling, which I've never used in a camp pie before. And I also have marshmallows. I'm gonna try, I think, to make a camp lemon meringue pie. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but it can't be that bad. I mean, pie filling and marshmallows, it can't be bad.
I think you can't lose.
Yeah, it's a win-win situation.
Oh yeah, you butter that bread. All right, it's time.
It is time. We're gonna try this. We've never done this before.
I think I could eat that with a spoon just right out of the can.
I am willing to bet that Mike will eat some of this with a spoon right out of the can. I mean, he does it with everything else. Why not this?
Look at that.
Piper's saying the same thing. Look at that. Wow.
I have to try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I have to have some more of that. OMG. Now that's gonna be the meringue, right?
Yes, this is the meringue. I'm gonna take a couple and I'm gonna cut them in half.
Because they're big.
Because they're the big ones. And just kind of dollop them in there. And kind of whoosh them in.
That should be good.
Put this on top. And then enclose it in.
It bakes.
Alright, let's check this baby out.
Alright. Here's it sizzling. Oh. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
It is. Just gotta let it cool for about 4 hours. Oh my goodness.
Who thinks that this is going to be Mike's favorite camp pie ever? I want to know. Do you think he's gonna like scoff when I say I only have cherry and strawberry?
Like trash.
He's gonna be like, that's not good enough.
Blueberries are for peasants.
Yeah, he's not even gonna want that. He's not even gonna want to hear those words.
Look at that. There's the first one. There's the second one. Look at that.
It's like I'm meant to be making camp pies. I'm just so good at it.
That's your calling in life.
It's be a pretty sad calling, to be honest with you, but I'll take it. I'm good at cooking.
Piper doesn't think it's sad.
No, Piper's like, how about you drop one of those camp pies in my bowl?
Just drop it on the ground.
And it's got like marshmallow floofing out of there.
It's very good. This is my number one.
Really?
Well,
have you hit any marshmallow yet?
Some.
Yeah.
Lemon meringue has always been my number one.
Absolutely. Lemon
And now
meringue.
it just translates to camp pies.
Right.
I highly recommend it.
Highly recommend.
Yes.
Mike gets the seal of approval for the camp pie lemon meringue style.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, it is.
What's your opinion?
It's very good. It's hot.
Yeah, like we said, you let it cool for a very long time.
Yeah, but the flavor is good. The texture is good. The cook on it was good.
And the marshmallow really
Gave it a little extra. Oddly enough, this spotted cow actually paired very well with those pies I made. Pipey, you're sitting on Mikey's lap on the picnic table, demanding to be held.
Yep.
Hey. No. Guy, you gotta calm down. People are so loud. These dogs. I'm blaming you. You said the W word. He said the word. Dang, girl. She's crazy. See, we're gonna try to do a little bit of this trail. Come on. Popo's trying to get your pipe. What is that thing, pipe?
Yeah, she doesn't very honest.
Surprised guy isn't scared of it.
Yeah. Is it just a leaf?
It's not alive, I can tell you that much. It's been raining all morning long, but Piper's not interested in the rain. We worry about breakfast. Luckily, the rain this morning was fairly light and it didn't last too awful long, so that it didn't really get super muddy and floody. It's still all wet, but I'll take that over flooded and muddy. Findley State Park in Wellington, Ohio is a wrap. I had a great time and I'm happy we came back and visited in the non-winter time.
Yeah, it's always different in the winter, and then it's different seeing it in the summertime or fall time, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, it's one of the things I really enjoy about camping year-round is that we get to see all these parks that are crazy busy in the summertime to being completely dead, and we're the only ones there in the winter. I love it. But for now, we're heading down the road to another campground. Piper is very excited. So until next time, see ya.
See ya.
It has that really nice lived-in look.
That's what we're doing. 100%. Just like ours.
Yeah, it's stuff everywhere. It's perfect.